4:47. I'm up early to get the chemistry homework done that I didn't get done last night. After chem today, chem lab, and then I train a client, and then I've got to finish the rest of my month-end testing. It's February 1st. It's 5:50 in the morning. I came over here to finish doing the chemistry homework that I still haven't finished yet. This building's not open, so sitting here outside. It is quite cold. Doing chemistry. Yay. So I'm done with all of the thinking stuff that I have to do today. I'm out of chem class, which was brutal. Now I need to train one client and then do all of my fitness testing. So I'm going to sit here in the car for a few more minutes before he gets here and write out all the tests that I need to do to check on my progress towards my year-end goals. Finished all my strength tests. Now I'm going out to my car. time-lapse camera. Also want to see it's too cold to run outside. It's cold and it's windy. It's cold and it's windy, but it's way too nice out to not train outside for this last little bit. So I'm gonna suit up a little bit, drop everything off I don't need, run around outside. Just getting a bit of my run warmed up. Gonna start the true speed test about 5 minutes. Shooting for about 35, 36 for the 5 mile time. It's gonna be tough. Note to self, maybe trying to do a 5 mile speed trial when I haven't had carbs in like 4 days. Just might not work. I got a mile. That's all I got. There's just nothing in the tank for speed.